I literally just slept for 14 hours. Big score. Against the odds. Against the wind.
You know what?
And in the rain. I'm gonna find a different way.
Man above, take care of me, though. Don't worry about it.
That's what I'm talking about.
Shazam.
Oh yeah, this totally looks like a spot.
Speed limit, okay?
Okay. I feel really good. No snow, clear skies. Oh, it's gonna be a beautiful day. Yes. This is legitimately the nicest morning I have seen in a week. I got some coffee cooking over there and the sun is shining and it's not super windy. I'm gonna let my stuff dry out. Nice. Look at them get in the sky. There'll be some clouds soon, huh? Unless we got something to say about it. Got it all loaded. I feel great. 12 o'clock on the dot. Let's go ahead and roll on out of here. This is a great spot. I'm rested. I'm full. I'm energized. Let's go see what this Route 66 is all about. Good old Route 66. I think we're probably 40 to 60 miles from Albuquerque. Hey, check that out. We went a really rough 60 miles to Route 66 to end up on Highway 333. Historic Route 66. Falling. Okay, just stopped here at the dollar store. Got some new batteries for everything. Some snacks. Spent $17. I don't know how I did that. It's about 2 o'clock now. I think we made it 10 miles down the road. Let's keep going. The weather's nice. I got shorts on. First time in weeks. I get a flat tire and I lean my bicycle against the pole and immediately somebody comes up and has to work on it. That's crazy. Albuquerque. Just had triple order hash browns at Waffle House. Here in Albuquerque, We're about to skirt right on through it. We're just gonna do it right now. It's like 5 o'clock or so, and we're gonna make it out of town tonight. Let's go. We almost made it all the way through. Nice. The sun has set and the moon is out. Here we are on the outskirts of Albuquerque. You can see all the city lights in the distance. I suppose we must have come up a fairly large hill. I didn't even notice. I feel like I've been going downhill all day. It's been amazing. But we're gonna keep riding down the road. It's still pretty busy around here. Let's see what we find. I got plenty of batteries. I got some bright lights. I don't think we're gonna have any problem night riding around here, you know what I'm saying? So let's go have some fun. Albuquerque. That's cool looking. It's about 7:30. Maybe I'll start looking for a campsite. Actually, I think there's some trees right here in front of me. It might be good right here on the highway. Look at that. Let's go check that out. Nice. 7 o'clock in the morning. Right outside Albuquerque. Slept right behind this bush. Right next to the highway. Great night. Slept great. Well, let's see if we can get on the road before 12 today. All right. Locked and loaded before 8 o'clock. What a good way to start the day. All right. Let's go. I got hot coffee too. What a good cup. Let's ride. Made it to the top. I'm sweating under this jacket, but it's cold outside. I don't want to take it off. Crazy. Hey, there's a gas station. I'm thinking to myself, get some more coffee. Whew, that was a steep one. If you like the show and you want to see more, go ahead and click on my face right here. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Press the bell notification button so you're notified every time I release new content. Press the like button if you've enjoyed the video. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. And if you're feeling crazy, go ahead and share this with a friend. It doesn't cost you anything. But until next time, I got a lot of work to do, and I hope to see you soon. Peace.